Welcome back to AR 3D modeling. In today's episode of SolidWorks Basics for Beginners, we're diving into the Revolve feature, an essential tool for turning your sketches into 3D objects. Let's get started. Hey everyone, it's great to see you again. In our last video, we explored extrusions. Today, we're focusing on the Revolve feature. This powerful tool allows you to create 3D objects by revolving a 2D sketch around an axis. First, let's understand the basics. To use the Revolve feature, you need two key elements, a profile and an axis of revolution. The profile is your sketch, and the axis is the line around which your sketch will revolve. Start by sketching the profile. For this demonstration, I'll draw a simple semicircle. Once your sketch is complete, you need to define the axis. This can be any line in your sketch or a reference line. With the profile and axis ready, select the Revolve Boss Base feature from the Features tab. SolidWorks will prompt you to select the profile and the axis of revolution. Here, I'm selecting the semicircle and this vertical line as the axis. Next, let's look at the Revolve options. You can specify the angle of revolution, 360 degrees for a full revolve, or any other angle for a partial revolve. You can also control the direction of the revolve, creating either a solid or a hollow shape. Watch as I revolve the semicircle around the vertical axis to create a full sphere. With just a few clicks, we've turned a simple sketch into a 3D object. And there you have it. That's how you use the Revolve feature in SolidWorks to bring your sketches to life in 3D. Play around with different profiles and axes to see what unique shapes you can create. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next episode of SolidWorks Basics for Beginners, only on AR 3D modeling. Happy modeling!